Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to extrude cut in FreeCAD. So let's get straight into it. Now what we are going to do is we will select a face, click on the flat surface on your 3D object where you want to start the cut. Okay, so this is this one. Then what we are going to do is we will create a sketch. So we head over here to the sketch and create new sketch or new sketch. So click on it just like that. All right. Now what we need to do is, so this is really if you want reference existing edges. So what you are going to do is click the external geometry. This is the icon which is looks like blue block right here with red lines. If you click on it, you have external projection, external intersection. This lets you snap your new sketch precisely to existing features. Alright, so what we are going to do now is we will use lines, circles, or rectangles to draw the shape we want to cut out. So let's go with this one, and I will draw something like that right here. Alright, so okay, let me fix it. Okay, like that. Ensure the sketch is fully closed and fully constrained. So, okay, now it is. Now what we need to do is activate the pocket tool. So, okay, so what we are going to do now is, as I mentioned, select pocket icons. So what we are going to do is head over here to the workbench and select back to part design. Select body here and choose this circle like that. And right here you will see pocket. So click on that. All right. Now what we can do here, we can select the type. I will leave it on dimension. Length. We can type in here, or we can adjust right over here. I think so. Yes. We have taper angle also. We can use that. Okay, so type, if we select through all, as you can see, it can go through basically the whole object. And yeah, when we are happy with these settings, just we click OK, and just like that we have created ourselves basically extrude cut in FreeCAD. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.